Greetings to all my 6th standard students. In this video, we are going to see the topic preposition. This is a 4th day activity. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that indicates a relationship between a noun and other word. Okay. Why we are using the preposition? Preposition shows the relationship between the noun and other word. Already we learned noun. What is noun? Noun is the naming word. Okay. Here the word preposition that shows the relationship between the noun or the naming word, okay, and the other word. Here I am going to give one example. Ramu is at home. Ramu is at home. Here what is noun? Ramu, the word is a noun. Where is he? He is at home. So in this sentence the word at is a preposition. Okay. The word at shows the relationship between the word Ramu and home. Okay. Here the word at, it shows the relationship between the word noun Ramu and the other word home. Okay. So Ramu is at home. Here the word at is a preposition. Okay. Okay. In page number 37, they given a grid to us and they ask us to find out the hidden prepositions. Okay. Here I find out some prepositions. Those are at, in, across, beside, below, upon, till. Here the word till is a preposition, and also this word till is also used as a conjunction also. Okay. Then the word with, for, after, on, to, up, from, along. Okay. These words are hidden prepositions in this grid. You can also find these prepositions in your exercise. Here I gave a picture to you. It will help you to find the prepositions in an easy way. Here you see the word in outer part of the circle. This word in is used in non-specific times. Okay. And then it is used in during a day and a month. If we say a month January or February, I born in January, I born in February. Okay, my brother was born in January. When we say the month, we have to use the word in before the month. Okay, next a year, in 2009, in 2020, in 2021. Okay, before the year we are using the preposition in. And then season and for a long period. Okay, the word in is used before these words. Okay, next preposition on. This word on is used before the days and the dates. When we say the day, a Tuesday or Monday or Sunday, before the days we are using the preposition on. Okay. On Sunday, on Monday. Okay. Next one, dates. In front of the dates also we are using the preposition on. On 1st January. Okay. On my birthday, on the particular day also we are using the word on my birthday, on New Year, on New Year's Day, on Christmas Day. We are mentioning the when we are saying the specific day, we are using the word on before the day. Okay. Next one, at. Why we are using at? At shows the specific time. At 2:30, at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. When we are saying the specific time, the word at is used as a preposition before the specific time. Okay, at sunrise, at dinner time, at noon, at night. When we are saying the specific time, we are using the word at before these words. Okay. Then they gave exercise to us in page number 38. Reinforcement. Teacher writes the sentences on the board and recalls the above mentioned points. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. The first one, we use dash for period of time, month, years, seasons. Already we saw in the before slide. We use the word in before month, years, seasons. So the word in is the correct answer there. And then we use on for a period of time or festival. Okay, on. We use on for period of time, festival and night. Then we use on for days or dates. On Sunday, on Monday, on 31st January. Okay. The fourth one, we use dash for reference belonging specify number. So when we are saying the specify number or timing, we are using the word preposition at before these words. Okay, these are the answers for this reinforcement questions. Now we move on to page number 39. We can see the evaluation in the worksheet 1. They give, teacher asks the students to draw the school and write a few sentences which contains prepositions. What they are asking to us? They are asking to draw the school, draw your school and write a few sentences which sentences contains prepositions. Okay, here for example, I gave a office room in this picture and I am going to give some sentences. For example, in this picture we can see the Gandhi's photo on the wall. So we are going to write a sentence like this: Gandhi's photos is on the wall. Here the word on is the preposition. Okay, next one, can you see the globe on the table? So we can write the globe is on the table. Then the book is on the table, the telephone is on the table. Okay, the HM is sitting on the chair, the dustbin is behind the table, the chair is next to the table. Okay, like this we are going to write some sentences about your school. Okay, here I gave examples. Gandhi's photos is on the wall, the globe is on the table, the HM is sitting on the chair, the dustbin is behind the table, the stool is next to the table, the book is on the table, the teacher is sitting in front of the HM, the water filter is at the corner of the room. Can you see the water filter? Okay, these are the answers for this worksheet, page number 39. Okay, we will meet in next activity. Thank you.